Hi, my name is Robert, and today I'm going to be talking about a picture I took of my dog's water bowl right here in all its glory. In this project, we're supposed to either use a picture that we found on the internet and talk about it, or use a picture that we took, as long as the subject is water. I wanted to use my dog's water bowl for a very specific reason. One, I live in the desert and it's hard to find just water lying around, but mainly because I use this water to make sure my dogs don't die. And that's important to me because I don't hate them all the time. Look at this cute little bastard. You don't look at that and tell me you're not gonna give him the water he needs to live? Nah. You need that water. Look at this naive new dog owner. At this point, I'm holding Ziggy, my pug. It's my third dog, right? Look how innocent that guy is. Yeah, little does he know that there's gonna be poop everywhere in the next month. But yeah, water, it's important. And I don't know what else to talk about. This video was supposed to be 30 seconds and I went off the rails. Oh yeah, there was supposed to be like a little saying or something that you're supposed to do. So I came up with my own little poetic saying that I think everyone can relate to. So if you ever had a bad day, think about this. Water is good, so we don't die. Yeah. Take that one to the bank. You can have that one for free. But anyways, yeah. I don't know how to end this, so I'm just gonna leave.